I have glitter mail, guys. I'm going to go ahead and start this review right now. I am reviewing All American Glitter. I'm going to try and cut this open. I literally just got the notification, and because I'm working from home, I ran straight to the door and got it. So it's packed in a bubble mailer. I ordered it on Thursday and today is Wednesday. It was attempted to deliver yesterday, but it didn't happen. So it came in today. I'm not really worried about the delivery time because Coronas. So there's that. Came really well packaged. I cut it open. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 items from them. And there's a packing slip in it. I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's everything. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this. Please excuse the mess at my desk. I have a bunch of stuff all laying around. So the ones that I have are Sacramento, which is a color shift. It's an opal color shift. It's a small chunky. I'm really excited about it. Alaska, which is a fine white pearlescent glitter. It has a little bit of, it seems like blues and pink shift, but it's a fine pure white. I'm really excited about that. Wyoming is a holographic. If you remember, I did Arizona as a holographic on my stripe tumbler and really liked it. And then I have Helena, which is a metallic chunky rose gold. Guys, this is just beautiful. I have Florida, which if you guys have heard me rant and rave about, if you've heard me rave about Copper Goddess, this is very similar. It's a little bit more burnt orangey, which I'm very excited to try out. This is metallic versus holographic. And then this is Phoenix. It is a beautiful dark blue, almost black, chunky holographic mix. I'm very excited about it. This is very similar to another company's Vader, and I'm so excited because I've looked for a chunky so much. It's going to be very exciting. I'm going to do a holographic. I'm going to use the holographic as a chunky ombre over this white. I'm so excited. Great shipping. Again, I love their gusseted bags because they stand up all on their own. You kind of have to fan out the butts. But I just love their bags. I can't talk enough about their bags. They are $6 for the fine for 2 ounces and $6.75 for the chunky mixes. Free shipping over $30 or $35. I'm sorry. Free shipping over $35. This cost me right around 30. Well, I don't have, the packing slip doesn't have my total on it. And I have 1, 2, 3. So that's 18. Yeah, right around $36, $37. So I am just over the moon excited about it. I have Kansas and I have a couple of others that I've ordered from them. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited. These are so pretty. So I'm going to get started on that right away. Thanks, guys. As far as her website goes, it's really easy to navigate. They do free shipping on all orders, $35 and over. They have a gallery option, which hasn't had any images added to it, but her website is very new. But this is where she plans on showcasing her ability or showcasing her product that other people have made. They have a really nice contact us button. It's very easy. I really like it. It has their store hours listed, their all their contact information. Their homepage is great. The website responds really well. You log into your account right here. You can sign in, create your account, and then there's a cart option. My cart's currently empty because I'm doing this review for you guys. So I said click continue to shop. You can get gift cards. They do the All American Loot Crates monthly subscription and water slides. And I'm going to show you guys the Loot Crates first. So she has 3 separate levels. They are red, white, and blue. The red is $20, the white is $30, and the blue is $20. This is the only thing that will have free shipping under the $35. The $20 has, if I remember correct, yes, it is 4 unreleased glitters. And so she does all of these are new unreleased glitters. I've seen the sneak peeks of what she's got going on, and I'm very excited. The white, I have to double check, is 6, which I'm fairly positive, but I'm going to double check for you guys. The blue is 8 unreleased glitters. So these are 2-ounce bags. So you're getting 16 ounces of glitter for $40, which is like a bomb deal. She has a couple of other bundles, and I have it sorted. You can sort by price, high to low, name, A to Z, newest and most popular. She has some really beautiful stuff. I misquoted myself earlier. I said that her chunky was $6.75, but it is really $6.25, so ignore me. Sometimes I say the wrong thing. I'm gonna look at price high to low because I want to show you guys her bundle. Her All-American bundle for rainbow bundles is so freaking cute. It's $36 for 12 ounces of glitter, which is $3 an ounce. Is that right? 36 divided, yeah. I had to do the math there for a second. And then she had another bundle. She had the spring bundle, but it looks like it's all sold out, which I'm kind of disappointed about because I kind of wanted to get it. And then she has all of these super cute pre-printed water slides. My favorite that she has is probably this rainbow infinity loop. They are all $3.75. And the other thing I wanted to talk with you guys about was her Facebook group, because that was what I talked about with the other person, or with the other companies. So her group is pretty product based, which is great. She does all kinds of really good customer updates. She asks for feedback on things that she would add. I loved her new water slides. All in all, I am just super thrilled with her products. I will remind you guys that today is actually, I think, the last day, or 2 days. It stops on the 20th. You can only get the loot crates until the 20th. So yeah, I'm over the moon excited about all of her products. Her glitter is great. Her bag, I keep talking about her bags. Her bags are wonderful. Super fast shipping, and her customer service is wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and give her a 5 out of 5, just like I did with Renwell's. So go ahead and check her out.
You ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?